Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Scoop, Free Assembly, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. That's new are these crew neck cable knit short sleeve sweaters. They have that ribbed neckline, the balloon sleeve, cable knit through the front, and then it's smooth through the back. Comes in the ivory, also in navy, and they're $22. New velvet blazers from Free Assembly. So these have a smaller collar, lapel, the one button, this little slotted pocket, relax through the wrist, completely lined, and then good length through the back with the seam detail. These are going to be $39. Also new floral sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that ribbed neckline, this little floral detail, the drop sleeve. You can see there's some gathering, ribbed wrist with that balloon style sleeve, and then also the ribbed bottom, and then it is a boxy kind of fit through the back. Comes in the gray, also in the ivory, and they're $26. New style of blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel. It is completely lined. It's like a thicker material. It's what it looks like up close. Relax through the wrist, and then the same detail, very similar to the blue, but the blue has the trim. This one doesn't. So the collar is a little smaller. This one's $39. Also new corduroy pants from Free Assembly. These have that side pocket, the tortoise button, seam detail, wide leg. It says mid-rise, wide leg with the pockets on the back in the black. Also comes in ivory, and they're $29. New rib tops from Free Assembly. They have that higher neckline, the little shoulder detail, fitted through the wrist, also in the body. In the fuchsia, also comes in black, and they're $14. New color in this rhinestone beaded top from Free Assembly. So it has the smaller collar, the little shoulder detail, all the pearls and rhinestones with the gathering on the wrist, also the double button. You could see more length through the back. So this fuchsia and white stripe is new. We also saw it in that solid white, and they are $26. Sneak peek skirts from Scoop. So these have the side zip. It has the band at the top. It has all the sequins, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the green, also in the black, and they are going to be $28. Also new oversized blazer from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar with the lapel fabric covered button, two slotted pockets, relax through the wrist with the fabric covered button, and then the seam in the back. Comes in the ivory, also in black. The quality on these is really nice, and they're $38. Also new wide leg trousers from Scoop. So these have that side pocket button, flowy through the leg. The back has no pockets. They do have the belt loops. Oh, it has one pocket. And they are going to be $28. Dress from Scoop. This one has that plunging V neckline, elastic and smocky on the wrist. Also through the body, it's flowy through the front and the back. In the black floral. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $40. This is velvet dress from Scoop. It has a higher neckline, this ruche detailing on the side. It's fitted through the wrist, shorter length through the front, also in the back, and it has a zipper. It's super soft, the inside looks like that, and these are going to be $28. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplin material with the elastic belt, and then it's flowy with pockets, ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $36. New Sherpa trim coat from Scoop. So this one has that plush oversized collar, the side zip. It's like moto style with the lapel. Has the side pocket. It's completely lined with that plush fabric. This is the small, so it is an oversized fit, and it does have a lot of weight to it. These are going to be $54. How cute are these new balloon sleeve tops from Free Assembly? So these have that higher neckline, oversized puff sleeve. It's a relaxed fit. I love the green with the pink plaid, and they are going to be $24. Longer length peacoats from Free Assembly. They have that smaller collar with a lapel, bigger buttons, two flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined with the longer length, and then the seam detail in the back. Comes in the gray, also in black. There's navy, and they're going to be $64, but these have a really nice weight to it. Button detail on the wrist. Another sneak peek item. This is a ribbed sweater dress from Scoop, and so it has the square neckline, the bell sleeve. It's fitted with the slit. This is the extra large. There's the extra small. In the olive, also comes in black, and they're $34. New shorter skirt from Scoop. It's not too short. I would say like really close to the knee. So it has this side zip, the one little pleating, same kind of fit through the back. This matches back to the blazer, and they're $24. Also have this embellished tee from Free Assembly. This has the crew neckline, the pearls, oversized puff sleeve. It's a nice stretchy t-shirt material with the keyhole in the back in the white. Also comes in black with the pearls. These are $16. New sweater from Scoop. So this one has the higher neckline, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, also the ribbed bottom with the seam going down. Really nice length in this gold. Also comes in the black, and they are going to be $28. New puffer jacket from Free Assembly. This one has a mid-size collar, zip. I love this plaid print. Has a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed through the wrist, snap pockets with the toggle. It's lined on the inside, and then the seam detailing in the back. And these are going to be $45. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist pop one. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy tiers all the way down through the front and the back. And these are $36. Also new coat from Scoop. So this has a mid-size collar. It has this little buckle detail. Has this faux suede lining. Seam detailing through the arm with the side pocket. Also has the buckles on the side. This is the extra small, so it is an oversized fit. And these are going to be $54. Also new eyelet button down from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, sheer through the body, and it does have the built-in cami. That's what that material looks like. The button on the wrist, really good length, is the large. In the navy, also comes in, oh no, it's just a navy, and these are $26. And then in that same material, also from Scoop, this one has that higher neckline, has the ruching through the sleeve, really nice length with the scallop trim. This one also has the built-in cami with the little buttons in the back and the keyhole detailing, and these are $24. From Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, has this smocking on the wrist, a belt. It's a flowy skirt. It has that same embroidering as we saw in the top option, and then the same fit through the back. This one is $34. New tulle skirt from Scoop. So this one has the elastic waist, the drop tier, nice and flowy. How adorable is this? Same kind of fit through the back, and they're $26. Scoop faux fur vest. This one has that hook and eye closure, it's satin lining through the whole front. It's an oversized fit. This is the medium, and they're $48. New boat neck long sleeve tee from Free Assembly. So this has that higher neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist, also in the body, in the burgundy with the purple, also black with the white stripe, and solid black, and they're $14. Also new faux leather dress from Scoop. So this one has the mid-size collar, button up into the waist, band with the button on the wrist. It's a pleated skirt, continues around the back, and they are $54. Faux leather cargo pants from Scoop. This one has the side button zip, that pork chop pocket, straight through the leg with the side pocket, and then pockets in the back. Also new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this is a full button, it's A-line, it is shorter with the seam detail. This one's gonna be so cute with boots. And they are, and then also seeing a new color in the skirt from Scoop. So this one has the side button zip, the slit in the front. It's going to be $26. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that rib neckline, the gold buttons, the 2 front pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the ribbing. It's a shorter fit, but relaxed. This is the medium. In the red, I'm also now seeing it in the black. And these are going to be $28. And are these cardigans from Free Assembly. It has the scallop trim, oversized buttons. This one's $26. New color in this coat from Free Assembly. So we saw the ivory. We also saw this plaid. Now they have this solid black. So these have this smaller collar lapel, double-breasted buttons with the side pocket. Relaxed through the wrist. Completely lined on the inside. This one's probably online only. And they are, I can't remember, I think these are $45. They don't have a price, so they'll be linked down below. Also new is this style jumpsuit from Scoop. So it has these smaller collar, full button, cargo style pockets through the leg, and then the same fit through the back. And let's see a price. Summer coat from Scoop. It has the ribbed neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, has like a pebbled look to it with the ribbed bottom, has that same kind of fit through the back, and these are going to be $42. New denim jumpsuit from Scoop. So this is mock neck when it's up all the way, zip, has the elastic through the waist with the side pocket, also the button detail on the wrist, the straight leg, elastic goes all the way around, and they are $44. New Flutter sleeve belted dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that higher neckline, Flutter sleeve with the side seam detailing, elastic in the waist, it's pleated nice and flowy with the belt, and then the same fit through the back, and these are $36. Also new little Sherpa coat from Free Assembly. This one has that rounded neckline, the gold buttons, the two front pockets, banded wrists with that same fit in the back, and they're $30. New crew neck sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that crew neckline, the ribbing, it's ribbed at the bottom. These are nice, soft, and stretchy, and they are going to be $18. Crew neck sweater also comes in solid white and then also purple and black. Blazer from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar lapel. It's completely lined on the inside, relaxed through the wrist with the button detail, and then it has the seam detailing in the back. These are $38. Is a sweater from Free Assembly. So it has the collar when it's zipped, or you could do it mock neck, that seam detailing drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, that same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the gold, also in that ivory with the green stripe, and they're $26. New button down shirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, the smocking on the wrist, it scoops in the middle with the same kind of fit through the back. This one comes in the blue with the embroidered polka dots, also white with the polka dots, and they are $24. Dress from Free Assembly. So now we saw this print in some other pieces. It has the smaller collar, full functioning button detail on the wrist. It does have some gathering. It kind of flows out at the bottom, but then it also has this belt to bring it in, and then the same fit through the back with that seam detailing going across, and this one is $28. Also new denim from Free Assembly. So this one looks like a high rise. It has this same detailing with the cuffed bottom. It is that darker wash with pockets on the back. It says mid-rise cropped leg, and these are $29. On the rib top from Scoop. So this one has the higher neckline fitted through the body. It has the longer sleeve, same through the back, and the ivory also comes in green. It's like a hunter green color, and the black, and they're going to be $24. And then also seeing a new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one's a full button. It has that seam detailing, the side pocket. This one's a little shorter than that other option we saw. And then the seam detailing in the back. These are going to be also new faux leather vest from Scoop. This one's sleeveless, has the side pocket, the same kind of fit with the hood in the back. Also has the toggle on the sides. Completely lined, and they're $40. And they also have this new style of faux leather. Has the ruching on the side, smaller collar, drop sleeve, button on the wrist, a midi length with the ruching in the back, that little detail. These are $38. Also seeing a new color in this lightweight blouse from Scoop. So it has the smaller collar, full button, has the one button with the scoop in the middle, this tie detail with the seam in the back, and this one is $24. New faux leather blazer from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar lapel. It has the one button, faux pockets. It does have that scrunch sleeve, longer length. It's completely lined with the same kind of fit through the back, and this one is $45. This pleated skirt from Scoop. It has that elastic waistband, has a high-low bottom. It's pleated through the front and the back. Comes in the burgundy, also in black, and they're $28. These dresses work really well for an inverted triangle. They have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless. Really nice length, kind of gives you a little bit of a flow out at the bottom, but it's more fitted through the top portion, and then has the keyhole in the back. In the new green floral, also comes in this black, and they're going to be $34. Lace trim bodysuit from Scoop. This one has that wrap style front, has the gathered wrist with the button. It has a thong style back in the black, also comes in the ivory, and they are going to be $26. How pretty are these faux fur jackets from Sofia Vergara? So they have that rounded collar, full zipped, relaxed to the wrists, so like buttery soft. Has that shorter fit. This is the extra small, that nice oversized collar, and these are going to be $49. New print in the dress from Scoop. So this one has the tie front, smocking around the neck. It has smocking on the wrist, and then also on the waist, flowy, and then the same around the back. We saw this in the solid olive, and these are $38. Jacket from Scoop. So it has the oversized collar, the side zip, the belt, zippered pockets, completely lined. You guys know I love the coats, but now I'm in Florida, I don't really need them too much. It's a nice lightweight material, and these are $54. New color in the velvet set from Sofia Vergara. So this has the smaller collar, lapel, the one button, trouser style pocket on the front, completely lined, relaxed through the wrists. Now in the brown, we also saw it in the black, and they are $39. The pants also come in the brown. We saw them in Monday's video. So these have that side pocket, the side button, nice and wide and flowy, and these are $28. I picked up the pants last year. They had them in like a pull-on flare, but I like these a little bit more. Next look, I'm going with the fold-over sweater from Free Assembly. So this has a side button, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, comes in the green, also in the navy. I think I'm gonna do the navy, and they're $26. Belted denim from Scoop. This one has the tie, the side pocket, wide leg through the front and the back, and they're $29. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.